legal matters become more complex and digital information continues to surge, law firms and corporate legal departments are under increasing pressure to manage electronic data efficiently, securely, and in a defensible manner. So, Relativity has become a go to platform in the legal technology space, providing a comprehensive solution for managing legal document review, processing electronic evidence, and organizing case data effectively. It's widely trusted by law firms, corporations, and government agencies for its ability to handle large scale e-discovery tasks with accuracy and speed. Relativity empowers legal teams to structure case files, perform streamlined document reviews, apply advanced analytics, and collaborate seamlessly across internal teams and external stakeholders. So, whether you're dealing with litigation, conducting internal audits, or responding to regulatory inquiries, Relativity gives you the tool you need to manage enormous volumes of electronic data without compromising on speed or even compliance. So, in this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Relativity's core functionalities, explore how it supports modern e-discovery, and uncover why legal professionals continue to rely on it for managing today's high-stakes legal environment. So, let us discuss key features and benefits of Relativity. Relativity offers secure, dedicated digital workspaces for every legal matter. These environments allow users to upload, review, and categorize all related documents in one central location. Each workspace can be customized with specific fields, layout, and viewing options that align with the needs of that particular case. This centralized approach not only simplifies access but also improves team collaboration, ensuring that all evidence and related metadata stay organized, searchable, and easy to navigate. With everything in one place, teams can work more cohesively and maintain a clear understanding of the case from start to finish. Relativity includes powerful search tools to help legal teams quickly locate critical documents within vast data sets, and also as well as it supports keyword searches, Boolean operators, proximity-based queries, and even conceptual searching for contextuality similar documents. You can also filter files based on metadata custom tags or document content. Additionally, saved searches and personalized views let users quickly return to important data points. These features significantly reduce the time spent on document review, helping legal teams identify key evidence efficiently. Even when dealing with terabytes of data, and with Relativity, document review becomes much more efficient and structured. Users can create customized coding layouts, apply consistent tags for relevance, privilege, or specific legal issues, and using document tools like highlighting, redacting, and commenting. This structured tagging ensures a consistent review process and helps maintain defensible decisions in court proceedings or during regulatory reviews. The platform makes it easier to coordinate review teams, apply quality control, and preserve the integrity of the evidence throughout the discovery processes. These AI tools not only reduce manual review time but also improve accuracy and consistency in decision making by allowing the software to handle repetitive or low priority reviews. Legal professionals can focus their efforts where they matter most, on key documents and case strategies. So, security is crucial in legal technology, and Relativity delivers strong controls to safeguard sensitive information. Permissions can be tailored to specific roles, ensuring that only authorized users can view, modify, or export data. Every user action is logged, providing a full audit trail for accountability. This granular control supports internal policies and compliance requirements, especially in highly regulated sectors such as finance, healthcare, and government. With Relativity, you can be confident that your case data remains protected from unauthorized access at all times. Relativity simplifies the process of preparing documents for production. Legal teams can apply redactions, assign Bates numbers, and select expert formats with ease. The system keeps a detailed log of all productions, ensuring that everything is compliant and ready for code submission or regulatory delivery. This makes the production phase smoother and helps ensure that the final output adheres to legal standards. You can manage rolling productions, meet code deadlines, and deliver accurate results every time without the stress and manual effort usually involved. Relativity includes powerful built in dashboards and reporting tools that provide real time insights into review progress, team productivity, and tagging trends. So, visualizations help you track viewer performance, monitor workloads, and analyze review outcomes. Audit trails offer full transparency into who accessed what and when, making the review process defensible and compliant with discovery standards. These insights help legal teams adjust strategies, allocate resources efficiently, and maintain complete oversight throughout the e-discovery lifecycle. So, why do so many legal teams rely on relativity? It's an all in one, end to end solution for handling electronic evidence on any scale, from its intuitive user interface and customizable workspaces to its AI enhanced features and secure infrastructure. Relativity is designed to meet the demands of modern legal work. So, whether your team is part of an in house legal department or working with external counsel, Relativity enables a secure collaboration and data sharing across jurisdictions and organizations. So, as of this year, Relativity continues to lead the e discovery space with innovations in automation, deeper integration across the legal tech ecosystem, and enhanced support for tech ecosystem and enhanced support for cloud-based collaboration. So it helps organizations meet strict compliance standards while accelerating document review and case resolution. With its scalable design and future-proof capabilities, Relativity support legal professionals in regulated industries such as banking, healthcare, energy, and public sector organizations. Its cloud native approach ensures that legal teams can access and manage critical case data from anywhere in the world while maintaining strict privacy and security protocols. So, in today's digital first legal environment, teams need more than just a file repository. They need intelligent tools that bring structure, clarity, and defensibility to the e discovery process. So, Relativity delivers on all fronts from secure data ingestion to AI assisted review and reliable document production. Its powerful features and user friendly interface allow legal teams to take full control of their workflows and collaborate efficiently no matter the case complexity. So, if you're looking to modernize your approach to legal case management and document discovery, Relativity is a smart, future ready solution for 2025 and beyond. So take charge of your e-discovery process with Relativity and bring clarity, speed, and control to your legal matters. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.